guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to be making our first sit-down video since moving to Spain. If you're new to my channel, I have just moved to Spain with my family of 5. We've been here for about a month and a half already, and we are living in an apartment, and that's just pretty common here in Spain. So actually I am in our little office, and it's a very small place. I'll show you guys at some point. Maybe I'll do like a little home tour maybe one day. And it is the only place that is well lit. It is also very echoey, so if you guys hear an echo, that is why. So I'm trying it out with the mic, so hopefully that helps eliminate the echo in the room. But you'll probably hear some cars, some ambulances, you'll hear some sort of street noise. But anyway, we've been here for about a month and a half, and our place doesn't have a lot of storage room, so I'm trying to make it work as much as I can. So I was very excited when Temu reached out to me and asked if I wanted to partner up, and I said yes. It's perfect because I don't want to break the bank when it comes to organizing my house. I don't want to spend a lot of money. I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful and more cautious of the stuff that we're buying since moving here. I don't want to have unnecessary things, if that makes sense. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the stuff that I've been getting from Temu to kind of organize everything. And if you don't know what Temu is a marketplace online where you can go and pretty much search for whatever you want. You can get travel, you can get fashion, you can get home stuff, organization, you can get pretty much everything you can think of. All you do is search it and get it for a very low price. So they are very well known for how low their price is. And when I decided to work with them, I was very open about the fact that I will give a very honest review. If I don't like the quality of it, I will be honest about it, because you know, when things tend to be a little bit on the lower price range, you kind of start questioning the quality of the product. So I'm going to be telling you whether I think it's worth it or not. I'm going to have links to everything down in the description box below. Make sure to get the app, because when you get the app, you're able to save even more. So I do actually have a special promotion going on, so make sure to use that link in the description box below. It will also be on the screen. That way you're able to take advantage if you're interested in buying anything. Okay, so the first thing I got, it's not an organization thing, but it is something that the boys can use and will definitely be using a lot, because we do live by the beach actually, which I'm very excited about. I love the beach. The beach is my happy place, so I'm really happy that we're close to the beach. And I got them this little beach sand play set. So it's a bunch of little beach toys. It brings a lot of molds for them to be able to make little shapes. And it brings these little tools too for them to be able to pick up the sand. And my favorite thing is that it comes with a collapsible bucket. So as you can see, it collapses, which makes it very easy for us to be able to carry it and take to the beach. These are actually kind of expensive here. I've noticed that they're like 20 euros or something like that. So I was happy to find this at a reasonable price. The next one is actually an organization thing that I got, and it is this shoe organizer. So all you do is you put one shoe here, and then you put the other shoe right here, and then you can just save a lot of space. I actually got a bunch of these because I don't really have a lot of closet space here. I just have like a little wardrobe thing. And so my shoes are all over the place. And I got them in green and in gray because I got some for myself and for my husband as well. This one hurts because I actually had a lot of these that I had to give away back in the US because there was no way I was going to be able to bring them with me. So when I saw these on Temu, I was like, absolutely, yes, please. This next one that I have, I actually don't have it with me because I tried to bring it in the room, but of course the boys wanted to play with it the minute I brought it in this room. And it is this Lego organizer. The boys love Legos. Like the Legos that they have go back from when Alex was a baby pretty much. So these Legos have been passed down. We wanted to save them, so we made sure to bring them with us, but we wanted to keep them organized. So I bought this little storage box here, and I'm able to store a lot of their Legos there and keep them organized. And they've been pretty good at keeping them in their place, which is nice. So I've been able to teach them, like, this is where the Legos go. You can stack them however you want, but just make sure that they stay in there. And it's good because I have one specific place for the Legos and they don't go everywhere. This next one is something that I've been wanting for a very long time, but I've never been able to get my hands on it because I couldn't justify the price. They're very expensive, but this would have come in handy when we moved from the US because we had a very long flight to take. but it's one of these where you can put your face in the hole right here and put your arms in here and just kind of rest like that when you're on the plane. I have to figure out how it works. I have to read the instructions, but it feels like really good quality, and it really wasn't that expensive. It has a little gauge here for you to be able to let out the air. So I'm guessing you have to like blow it up. This next thing is something for the toilet, and this is so that we are able to place any sprays, any wipes, any toilet paper right here. So what you do is you put this against the wall like this, and this just sits on top of the tank, and then you still have room in case you have one of those toilets that have the button in the middle, and you're able to just stick your hand in there and do that. And this is actually really reasonably priced. I've seen similar ones on other websites, and they're just overpriced. So the price for this is great, and the quality feels actually very good. I'm impressed by this one. I ended up getting this toy hammock, and I didn't take it out of the bag because I wanted you to get a visual of what it is. So you pretty much hang this up on the wall, and you're able to organize any toys, any stuffed animals. The boys did bring a lot of their stuffed animals from the US, so I made sure to buy something so that we're able to keep them organized and still visual for them because they do like having them around. So this is going to come in handy. This is another item that I've seen on other websites that is very expensive for no reason, honestly, and I was able to get it for a good price. Let me open it up so I can feel the quality. Yeah, it feels good. It feels just like I thought it would, and it's, oh wow, it's pretty big. Oh, it's two. It comes with two. I thought it was just one. It comes with two. So even better. Oh, that's even better. Yeah, so even better because I can use one for Alex's room and one for the boys' room, or put toys in one, stuffed animals in the other. This is perfect. I thought it was only one. I'm actually really happy about that one. And this next one is a travel slash home organization one that I can use here too. This is a line rope. So in Spain, we have a dryer. We have a dryer, but it just takes forever. And also it's just, you know, it's, I prefer hang drying our clothes now because it dries faster. The longevity of our clothes is going to be longer, and then also it saves energy, so why not? So I ended up getting this one right here that I can travel with, clip on one side like at the hotel, and then just let this stretch out like that if I ever need to hang any clothes when I'm traveling, and then you just spin this right here to bring back the rope. So this is actually really cool. I can use it at home, I can use it when I'm traveling, so I'm actually really glad I got this one. And it feels like really good quality too. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or rip at any time. This one I'm disappointed in, I'm not gonna lie. Temu does have a really good return policy, so if you're not happy with the product, if it's misplaced, if it gets damaged, misplaced, or whatever, they will take care of it. So keep that in mind. So make sure to look at the return policy because it's really good, and they do take items back. But this right here doesn't feel like it's like the best quality, to be honest with you. It is a towel, a paper towel holder, and it was missing a piece. It's missing like the screw for it, and then also it just doesn't feel like it should. Like, it doesn't feel like it's good quality. It feels very, very low quality, very cheap in my opinion. So I'm definitely going to try to get this one replaced. So I told you guys I was going to be honest with you, and that is one product that I'm not necessarily happy with. So now that we're in Spain, we are going to be going to a lot of soccer games. George is a huge Real Madrid fan, so he's even part of like the club or whatever, I don't know. But the point is, we're going to be going to stadiums and soccer games. So I know that in the US they have like a clear bag policy. I'm not sure if the stadium here has that, but just in case, I ended up getting a clear crossbody purse, and it doesn't have a lot of space, which is fine because when you go to the stadiums, you just really need your phone, your wallet, and that's it. So the strap isn't really like the best quality, to be honest with you, but I can replace that. I can put one of my own, but the bag itself is good. It even has a little zipper back here for you to be able to store anything else that you want to store. So I really like this one. Okay, next, I was excited about this because this is so pricey here in Spain. So in this basket, I have a bunch of these little canisters right here, like storage bins for the kitchen, because I have so many things that I want to store and organize in the kitchen, but also I had so many in the US that I had to give to my sister-in-law, and I missed them so much, but I couldn't bring them with me. So it's a 7-piece set, and it has a bunch of different sizes. I can store like sugar, flour, salt, whatever I want in there, pasta, rice, beans. And they also come with labels and a little marker for you to be able to label everything that you have in those little storage boxes. So the last thing is this, which I really needed. It is a collapsible laundry basket. So our washing machine is in the kitchen, and when I go line dry our clothes, I have to go to the other side of the house. So sometimes I'm like dropping things, and it's just easier to take everything in a laundry basket. So I got one that's collapsible because, again, we don't really have a lot of room in this house. So it collapses like this. And then it also has the little handles right here, which makes it easier. And I am trying to teach Alex on how to do his laundry. So this is going to be very helpful for him to help me too. And it's just going to make it easier. But I think that is it for this Temu haul. I don't have anything else to show you. I'm definitely going to be using a lot of these things. And like I said, I am going to send back that paper towel holder because it's really not what I was looking for. Once again, thank you to Temu for partnering up with me on this video, and I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!